Here's a Liftronic Unitronic MRL at Richlands train station. This one is like the one at Indooroopilly station, but this one's 2 years newer. We'll do a cab view. There's our security friend with number 1, Richlands station, maximum load 1600 kilos, 21 persons.
Concourse, going down.
Down button got replaced recently. There's the Centenary motorway. Oh, what is this? Is that like a Grasshopper? Might be. Ooh. There. Oh, there's a Grasshopper. There it is. Oh, and it just flew away. What a cute Grasshopper. But anyway, just a standard Liftronic. It's not so special, but hey, look out the window. It smells in here.
Platform, going up.
That's a shaft. There it goes. That's it.